If you're wondering how to store secure notes like Wi-Fi codes and licenses safely, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to keep your sensitive information protected while making sure it's easy to access when you need it. Stick around because at the end of this video, I'll share a tool with you that I've tested across the most popular options, and I'll even hook you up with an exclusive free trial if you want to follow along. Now, when it comes to storing secure notes, whether it's your Wi-Fi passwords, software licenses, or any other sensitive data, the first thing you want to do is avoid just saving it on your phone's notepad or sticky notes. That's asking for trouble, especially if your phone is lost or hacked. The solution? Use a password manager or secure note software, which will not only encrypt your data, but also allow you to access it securely. So let's dive right into it. The key here is using encryption. When you're choosing software for secure notes, look for one that offers end-to-end encryption. This means the software encrypts your notes locally on your device before they even hit the cloud, ensuring no one but you can access them. Now, what does that mean practically? If you're storing something like a Wi-Fi code, that data gets locked up so tight that even the service provider can't read it, protecting you from hackers and breaches. Now let's talk about features you should look for. First, make sure the software you're using has multi-device syncing. You don't want to be stuck accessing your Wi-Fi codes only from your desktop when you're out with your phone. Multi-device syncing allows you to keep everything updated across all your devices, whether it's your computer, phone, or tablet. Another feature that comes in handy is the ability to categorize your secure notes. For example, you might want to have a section just for Wi-Fi codes, another for licenses, and so on. This helps keep everything organized and easy to retrieve when you need it. But there's a key extra step I highly recommend: two-factor authentication. By enabling this extra layer of protection, even if someone tries to steal your password, they'll still need access to your second factor, like a code sent to your phone, before they can view your sensitive notes. And if you want even more protection, some software allows for secure backup options, like saving your notes in a way that ensures even your backups are encrypted. This is important if you want peace of mind knowing your secure notes are protected, even if something happens to your device. I've tested a few of the most popular options out there, and the software we'll be using today is hands down the best for this task. It's got all the encryption and security features you need, plus the interface is so simple and clean. If you want to follow along, be sure to check the link in the description below for a free trial exclusive to viewers of my channel. It's perfect for people who want to store secure notes like Wi-Fi codes and licenses the right way. Here's your key takeaway. Storing secure notes like Wi-Fi codes and licenses is all about finding a trusted software solution that offers encryption, multi-device syncing, and extra security features like two-factor authentication. Keep your information organized and safe by categorizing it in the app, and make sure to enable backup encryption for an extra layer of protection. To recap, choose a secure software solution, use encryption, sync across devices, categorize your notes, and enable two-factor authentication for maximum security. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I mentioned. Check it out in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.